Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to add a switch to your wall and then export a CAD drawing. Okay, let's get started. So go to your cloud. Okay, select electronics and then click on switches. Alright, so we are going to add a switch right over here. Okay, so just drag your switch. Okay, and then if you would like to adjust, click on C and adjust the placing. Alright, and then maybe right over here 1450. Okay, so maybe we'll add a socket. Okay, right over here. Okay, at the corner. Same thing, if you would like to adjust, click on C. Okay, click on C to adjust 150. Okay, right over here, probably I'll put 100. Alright, so right now I have a switch and I have a socket. Okay, so if I would like to export them to my CAD drawing, okay, so come right on top here, whole house, CAD drawings. Okay, you may untick this too. Okay, just tick the construction drawing and then click export. Alright, save it to your locals and then just open it up on your CAD software. Okay, as you can see, I'm using the Trimble Connect. Okay, so with just one click, you may export your 2D drawing. Okay, and if you would like to check your socket and your switch, okay, it will be right here. Right, so as you can see, this is my switch. Right, the dimensions are all shown. Okay, and this is my socket. Alright, so it auto generates. So this is how you add a switch and export a CAD drawing. Good luck trying, guys.